Did you come to me, or did I go to you? I cannot recall whether it was a dream or reality. I cannot recall if I was asleep or awake. Tales of Ise, Passage 69, Kari no Chukai? Okay. August 7, 1980X. Morning, Toba City, Mie Prefecture, Southern Sea. Right, you should do it. All good to go. Yuza? Yep, ready can be. I feel so light. I bet I could even outswim a shark. No more than that. I was born for this moment. The legend of Kamishima,'s patron saint of diving begins today. Siya si Yuza. Alright, Minakuchi. Okay. Open update page. Profiles. Okay. So siya daw ay male apprentice ama diver, 18 years old, a young man born and raised in Kamishima. Although generally quiet and serious, he has an eccentric side that often sees him make jokes and wisecracks with a straight face, catching whoever he's talking to off guard. After losing his parents in a large scale maritime accident 5 years ago, he was raised by his grandmother, veteran ama diver Chuyu Minakuchi. He briefly worked he briefly found work at a seafood processing plant in Toba after graduating high school earlier in the year. But upon hearing that Chuyu had injured her leg, forcing her to retire from diving and causing difficulties in her daily life, he quit his job after 3 months and returned to Kamishima. At present, he is caring for Chuyu while looking for work on Kamishima, and he has recently made the decision to follow in Chuyu's footsteps and become, teka lang ha, wala tayong sounds. Sandali. Ranked number one. So, quiet and introverted as a child, he began to show more animated side upon befriending Azami Kumoi, a boy his age, and eventually became a common sight to see them getting up to mischief together. Although the maritime disaster 5 years ago saw a drastic shift in the way most of Kamishima's inhabitants treated Yuza, Azami alone continued to treat him the same. Even now, it is uncommon for Azami to find himself caught up in Yuza's eccentric exploits. But he is always quick to laugh and follow his lead. Sandali lang ha. Yung audio natin ay ting 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 ting. Okay. Oh, pogi ni Azami ah. Wow, that sounds pretty wow, that sounds pretty impressive. But this is your first time diving out in the bay, so don't push yourself too hard, all right? Yeah, I know it's my first time. Somehow I'm brimming with confidence. I just know I can land a massive haul if I try. Ah, nakakamiss pumunta sa mga ano, gusto ko na ulit pumunta sa beach. Gusto ko ulit mag-dip sa tubig. Ang init kasi, grabe talaga yung kainitan. Tas nakita ko pa sunod-sunod yung bagyo. My goodness. Well, I'm glad to see to see you're raging to go. But make sure you don't go too far from the boat at first. Ito pala si best friend si Akami. Ay, Azami pala. No need to worry, Azami. You just focus on getting the grill ready. We're having a feast tonight. Haha, I hold you to that. Sige, okay na. Okay na rin. Sige, fine. Para mag-progress na yung story. Nag-level up eh. Okay, looks like you're all warmed up. Let's go out a bit further so you can look for something bigger. The biggest catch you can get at this time of year is probably abalone. Snagging just one is something to be proud of. But remember that sea creatures are living things. They change places every time you dive, so be careful. Oh, abalone. It's not like you have to master everything all at once. You can take off whenever you're ready. Okay, punta na tayo doon. Ito na. Ah. So, meron tayo ditong pupuntahan. Ayan.
¡Calvo!
Woo! Go! Ano yun? Mermaid lang ang usapan! Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Dive failed? Bakit? Eh? Ano yun? Bakit nag-fail? Okay, so part ba siya ng intro? Ay, okay. Ano yun? May question mark doon. Okay. Ano yun? Oh? Bad end? Oo nga eh. Ano yun? Bakit bigla akong bumalik? Eh? Top diving? Isa ka pa. Badyaw. Right, let's leave it at that for today. Good work out there, Yuza. But man, just look at you. How did you improve so much in a short time? You're basically pro level now. I wasn't expecting you to pick things up that quickly. Like I said, brimming with confidence. But it's also because you were here to help. Thanks, Azami. Oh, I didn't do AW. Anyway, I didn't do that much. I appreciate it. So, do you feel any different now? Did your body undergo any weird changes? Nope, I feel exactly the same. Nothing's changed. I'm the same old Yuza I've always been. Hmm. I guess we were a bit off the mark, huh? So, what do you want to do now? Should we call it a day? Go back immediately. Talk about the whole. Azami? Hmm? Before we head back, could we talk? Could we talk for a bit? Uso talaga sa kanila yung nakanguso, ano? Kasi last Paranormal Site, nakanguso din eh. Sure, what's up? So, in-acknowledge niya na wala talaga yung, nawala yung, ay, sorry, mali yung napindot. My best friend. Okay. Think. I'm still struggling to process what just happened. I gotta tell Azami. Talk. So when I was diving just now, oh, there's a hole. A giant hole in the seabed you never heard of before? Yeah, the rocks around it look like they'd only recently collapsed. So I think it probably opened up within the last few months or so. Ah, now that you mention it, there was a pretty big earthquake around here about 3 months ago. Maybe that had something to do with it. Oh, that's right. That would have been before I got back. Anyway, if you saw a giant hole on the seabed, would you be curious about it, right? I sure would. Curious enough to try to take a look inside? It'd be pretty dangerous, but I guess I might. Yeah. Right, so I went closer to try and get a better look. Did you see anything? Well, I looked down into the hole. A ghost a ghost or something like that looked like me suddenly rose up from the depths. A ghost that looked like you? It swam toward me with a hand outstretched. It looked like it was trying to hand something to me, or maybe it was trying to tell me something. Man, what did you do then? Did you take its hand? I did. I felt like I couldn't resist somehow. I guess even the patron saint of diving does foolish things sometimes. The only thing I was a patron of was carelessness and lack of proper vigilance. Hmm, it sounded like there wasn't much you could do about it though. Ugh. Hey Yuza, huh? The thing you ran into, do you think it could have been a Tomokazuki? Tomokazuki? Oh, may Momo na naman! What is a Tomokazuki? So did anything happen to you after it took its hand? I don't really remember. When I came to, I was back outside the hole. I thought maybe I'd blacked out due to a lack of oxygen, and it had been sort of hallucination. Mami mi mo. I see. Yeah, I guess that's possible. But if that's the case, that means I stopped you to just talk about some hallucination I saw. And that would be super embarrassing. Hmm. Some people do say that Tomokazuki legends might have come about because of divers seeing things when they ran out of air. But hey, there's no big deal even if it was a hallucination. The most important thing is that you're safe. Still, I can't help but wonder about the hole suddenly appearing like that. Yeah, that's pretty weird. Yung mukha niya. Huh? You never heard of it? I guess. Well, I guess not even all the folks around here know about it either. It does sound familiar though. The Tomokazuki is a sort of ghost story around these parts. Ayan na! The story goes that sometimes, when diving, an ama diver will come across another version of themselves, an exact copy. That other version of them will be holding out something they want, like an abalone. Yun nga yung hinahanap ko kanina yung abalone. Something they want. Parang slam dunk yung art, prominent yung nguso. Oo nga eh. Something they want. And when the diver reaches for it, the Tomokazuki grabs them and drags them to the bottom of the sea. Oh, or yung lalaki kanina. Mayor? Mayor Abalo. Wow, that's scary. Eh, di ba nga namatay ako kanina nung kinuha ko yung kamay niya? But wait, the Tomokazuki I saw wasn't holding anything. It wasn't? Well, that's different. Maybe it forgot it at home or something. Wow. At home, huh? The abalone? Yeah, the abalone. Maybe it left it at home. Huh? Maybe the Tomokazuki is more careless than the legends let on. You're pretty forgetful though, so maybe it became such a perfect copy that it imitated that aspect of you as well. Oh, that damn Tomokazuki, it knows my very weakness. Now that you mention it though, I think I do remember the story from when I was younger. I guess the fact that I forgot the story really proves how forgetful I am. Para siyang si Sasuke. Yung damita parang Sasuke. No worries, it was a while ago, you know. By the way, you know how those symbols on your diving gear? Symbols? Yep, Seaman and Doman. The AMA divers around here all have them somewhere on their outfits. Oh, this was my mom's gear, so I didn't know. People say those symbols work as a charm to protect divers from the Tomokazuki. Oh, interesting. But if I but if I ran into a Tomokazuki just now, wouldn't that mean the charm didn't work? Maybe, but thanks to the charm that you made it back safely. The sea is a dangerous place even without the Tomokazuki around. Things could have been even worse without the charm to protect you. I see. So without this charm, I really could have been attacked by a shark. Glad I had it then. Seriously, a shark would have been no laughing matter. Okay. So meron tayong na discover. Hey, Azami, about the Tomokazuki just now. Yeah? Do you think it has anything to do what we're looking into? Ano yung LT? Ano to? Recall. Oh, what is this? What is this? Unlock past recollection chapter. Yuza Minakuchi, something I want to do. Oh, oh, oh. My apologies. apologies for the interruption. I'd like to take this chance to inform you about the unique ability of yours, the recollection feature. But to make things clear, I must first tell you about the story chart. Ayun, story chart. From here on, you will return to this scene, the story chart, at breaks in the story. You see, the story you will witness will not necessarily unfold in chronological order. This scene will allow you to see where each chapter lies in the grand scheme of things as well as select where you wish to proceed next. Ito yung parang nanganganak-nganak yung yung story. For the icon for a chapter is not dim, that indicates it has not been fully completed. Generally speaking, completing a chapter will unlock the chapter immediately after it. However, there will be occasionally be times when a recollection button will appear during the story as you experienced just now. Pressing this button will allow you to delve into a memory evoked by a certain word in the text, which will, in return, unlock a new chapter, past recollection chapter for you to experience. A most remarkable ability, is it not? Once you have unlocked such chapter, it will become available in the story chart for you to peruse as you wish. This ability will be the key in unraveling the tale before you do, so be sure to press the recollection button when you see it come. Okay, with that, please enjoy the continuation of this tale. May pagganon pa eh. If so, would your mom have become an ama diver because she wanted to find the Tomokazuki? Huh. But she wouldn't have worn something with this charm on it if that were true, right? Good point. Is that all you wanted to talk about? But wait, there's more. No, there's more. Actually, this might be the most important part. I realized something I need to do after this. Something really important. Hey, you found a lead down there after all. I'm serious. If I don't pull this off, something terrible's gonna happen. Hey, I believe you. Go on, tell me everything. Ayan na.